Welcome back to the Sentinel Octopus series. In this series, we're exploring one of the most advanced cybersecurity platforms built from the ground up and understanding how every feature works through practical demonstrations. So far, we have explored intelligence collection, social analysis, dark web intelligence, autonomous brain, monitoring systems. But today, we're going even deeper. Because today's episode covers two of the most powerful capabilities inside Sentinel Octopus: AttackChain and BugBounty Engine. These modules are designed to automate investigation workflows, reduce repetitive tasks, and help transform raw target data into structured intelligence. Sentinel Octopus is now running. Today, we'll begin with the first feature. Feature 1, AttackChain. Before executing AttackChain, let's understand what it actually does. AttackChain is not simply a scanner. It is an orchestration system that creates investigation paths automatically. Instead of manually deciding what should happen next, Sentinel Octopus builds a structured execution plan using internal intelligence models. To begin, let's execute. AttackChain google.com//auto. Auto mode allows the system to automatically continue approved workflows without requiring repeated confirmations.
Phase 1. Historical Intelligence Check. The first thing AttackChain does is check the internal database. The system verifies: has this target been scanned before? Are historical findings available? Is previous intelligence stored? Should earlier results be validated? If existing information is found, Sentinel Octopus attempts to confirm whether previous findings are still valid. If no previous data exists, a completely new investigation plan is generated. Phase 2. Model Coordination. After the target evaluation begins, multiple internal models start working together. For example, SentinelNet. This model continuously tracks investigation activity and maintains awareness of the target environment. Its job is to observe execution flow and maintain operational context. SentinelLM. This model analyzes the target and generates the attack workflow. Instead of following fixed logic, SentinelLM adapts steps based on collected information. Phase 3. Building the attack chain. As you can see,
6 execution stages. Example stages include 1. Cloud discovery, 2. Surface mapping, 3. Asset analysis, 4. Target evaluation, 5. Investigation workflow, 6. Final validation. Every stage contributes additional intelligence. Not every target receives the same chain. The workflow changes depending on available information. This allows Sentinel Octopus to remain adaptive instead of relying on static scans. Reviewing results. The execution is complete. Now let's inspect the generated JSON report. The report allows us to review investigation summary, findings, execution history, generated decisions, supporting intelligence. In Feature 2, BugBounty Engine. Now let's move to the second feature. This is one of the most advanced modules inside Sentinel Octopus. The BugBounty Engine was designed for security research workflows and structured testing processes. Rather than manually chaining dozens of commands, this module coordinates multiple intelligence systems and scanning strategies automatically. Let's run. BugBounty, google.com. How BugBounty works. After execution begins, the module activates multiple internal intelligence models. This includes SentinelNet, SentinelLM, Investigation Model. Feature 2, BugBounty Engine. Now let's move to the second feature. This is one of the most advanced modules inside Sentinel Octopus. The BugBounty Engine was designed for security research workflows and structured testing processes. Rather than manually chaining dozens of commands, this module coordinates multiple intelligence systems and scanning strategies automatically. Let's run. Bug Bounty, google.com. How Bug Bounty works. After execution begins, the module activates multiple internal intelligence models. This includes SentinelNet, SentinelLM, Investigate, Payload, and Discovery Engine. During execution, the module combines Kali Linux built-in word lists and Sentinel internal payload libraries. According to the current configuration, the engine can process tens of thousands of payload combinations during testing workflows. These payloads support discovery workflows, validation logic, pattern matching, investigation automation. The objective is not speed alone. The objective is smarter execution. Reviewing reports. The scan is complete. Now let's review all generated reports. Available formats include TXT, JSON, HTML, PDF. Each report provides a different level of visibility. TXT gives quick summaries. JSON provides structured data. HTML gives visual investigation reports. PDF creates portable documentation. Together, they create a complete investigation package. And that's day 4 of exploring Sentinel Octopus. Today we explored how AttackChain automatically creates investigation workflows, and how the BugBounty Engine combines intelligence models, payload systems, and automated validation into a single process. We're still only scratching the surface. In the next episode, we'll continue uncovering more advanced modules hidden inside Sentinel Octopus, and see how deep this platform really goes. If you're enjoying this journey, subscribe, stay curious, and keep exploring. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in day